We're getting our day started with trader Tim Biggam of Buy Alerts. The government shutdown, Tim, continues to shut out economic data. What can you tell us about the market action?
Yeah, really looking at kind of the last of the tech sector reporting, the chip makers and some of the other AI-related names that are running into a little trouble here. Will this portend that long-awaited pullback might be on the horizon? As we saw, yesterday with Palantir, the reaction to earnings, even though a beat on both the top and bottom line, the stock got torpedoed. So is that kind of a harbinger for things to come with some of these other high-flying names? I think that'll be critical for the market going forward. Seasonality starting to kick in. Normally a somewhat bullish period, but given the rally we've had, will that continue or not? And finally, will we ever really have a meaningful pullback in stocks here? All these days have always been met with dip buying. How long that continues, I think, will be the key to the market going forward. Should be interesting as we head into kind of some of the economic numbers that are showing some weakness, as you alluded to, and also the long-awaited NVIDIA earnings report, which is the last big report coming down the road here in a couple weeks.
Let's get to your trade of the day. What stock do you see that's getting attention from traders?
Yeah, looking at a stock or an ETF in this case that rarely kind of makes my radar, XLI, the industrial ETF, seeing big time option volume. More importantly, the IV has jumped because of this massive option volume. This pays a nice dividend around 2% here, lower beta name as well, so it doesn't move nearly as quickly. So I like the fact that the stock has dropped recently, but the calls have kind of picked up and have remained about the same. So I'm just going out buying the shares, collecting a nice dividend, selling some expensive options to hedge it. In essence, kind of collecting a second dividend for doing so.
Thank you for your trade and for your Trader Talk, Tim.
No problem at all, Lance. Take care.